the connection between water and the brain. Water is very important for our brain. In fact, about 75% of our brain is made of water. That means most of your brain needs water to do its job properly. Just like a car needs fuel to run smoothly, your brain needs water to stay sharp and work well. When you don't drink enough water, your brain gets tired and stops working as it should. Even losing a little water in your body can cause problems. You may start to feel tired, forget things, or have trouble paying attention. Let's learn in detail why drinking enough water is so important for our brain. Imagine you are doing a puzzle or reading a book. You need your brain to help you think and solve problems. When your brain has enough water, it works quickly and smoothly. But when your brain doesn't get enough water, it starts to slow down. This makes even simple tasks harder. You might feel like your mind is heavy or that it's taking longer to think about things. Studies show that if your body loses just 1% or 2% of its water, your brain may not work well. You may find it difficult to pay attention, think clearly, or remember things. This small loss can happen very easily, just by forgetting to drink enough water on a hot day or when you're busy and not paying attention to how much water you drink. That's why it's very important to always have water nearby and take small sips throughout the day. Water also helps us feel happy. Our brain makes special chemicals called serotonin and dopamine. These chemicals help control our mood and how we feel. When we have enough serotonin and dopamine, we feel happy, calm, and peaceful. But when we don't drink enough water, our brain finds it harder to make these chemicals. This can make us feel sad, cranky, or even anxious. Have you ever felt irritated or upset for no clear reason? Sometimes it's just because you haven't had enough water. Another problem caused by not drinking enough water is something called brain fog. This is when your brain feels cloudy or confused, and it's hard to think clearly. You might forget simple things, have trouble concentrating, or feel like your mind is moving in slow motion. Brain fog can be very frustrating, especially when you have important things to do. One simple way to fix brain fog is to drink water. When your brain gets the water it needs, it starts working better again. Water also plays a role in feeding our brain cells. Think of your brain as a busy city with lots of roads and trucks delivering supplies to every building. In your body, water is like the truck that delivers oxygen and nutrients to your brain cells. These nutrients help your brain stay healthy and strong. If there's not enough water, the trucks slow down, and your brain doesn't get the food it needs. Another important job of water is cleaning the brain. Just like your room gets messy and needs cleaning, your brain also collects waste throughout the day. When you sleep, your brain gets a chance to clean itself and remove all the waste that builds up. But this cleaning process needs water. Without enough water, your brain can't clean itself properly, and this can make you feel tired and unfocused the next day. That's why drinking water during the day and before bedtime is a good habit. Water also keeps our brain safe by protecting it from bumps and shocks. Inside your head, your brain floats in a special fluid called cerebrospinal fluid. This fluid acts like a cushion, keeping your brain safe if you move suddenly or bump your head. Water helps maintain this protective cushion, making sure your brain is well protected. Do you ever get headaches? One common cause of headaches is not drinking enough water. When your body is low on water, it sends signals to your brain that cause pain. This is your body's way of telling you to drink water. The next time you have a headache, try drinking a glass of water. You might be surprised at how quickly it helps. There's another reason why water is so important. It helps you stay alert and focused. When you are properly hydrated, your brain works faster, and you can think more clearly. This means you'll do better at work, school, or even when playing games or solving puzzles. So, what can we learn from all of this? The lesson is simple but very important: always drink enough water. It's easy to forget to drink water, especially when you are busy or having fun. But your brain needs water to stay happy, sharp, and healthy. Try to carry a water bottle with you and take small sips throughout the day. If you feel tired, confused, or even a little sad, stop and think, have I had enough water today? Sometimes just 1 or 2 glasses of water can make you feel much better. Staying hydrated is one of the easiest ways to take care of your brain and body. Water is truly the brain's best friend. It helps you stay focused, happy, and full of energy. So remember, drink water every day, not just when you're thirsty. Your brain will thank you, and you'll feel great. So, friends, what have we learned today? Drinking water is one of the simplest ways to keep your brain happy and healthy. Water helps you think clearly, stay focused, and even feel happy. It keeps your brain safe, cleans it, and helps it work faster. Remember, don't wait until you're thirsty to drink water. Keep a bottle with you and take small sips throughout the day. Your brain will thank you, and you'll feel great. That's it for today, friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos. And remember, drink water and stay happy. See you next time. Bye.